Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create this type of video using a simple image. And this is a really gorgeous image to video creator. It's absolutely for free. If you are from India, America, and Bangladesh, Pakistan, you over the world, this method working. It's for free. So keep watch full video, don't skip any second. First of all, I'm going on Hailuo AI. You can see this is a AI tool, image to video creator, text to video creator I am using right now. So first of all, I'm going on Canva. For creating an image, I collect this can image from google.com, then this person also. So I need on first of all download this image. You can create this image from Google, and you are also able to use any other photo and video editing tool for this one. Then I'm going on this Hailuo AI tool, then click on create, then upload your image right here. So I upload here, then just will grab this little guy by the throat and give him WW sports like. So I write this script and this prompt. I write in this prompt as my own. If you don't know how to write this one, please collect on a ChatGPT, then any other AI tool. It's absolutely for free for use ChatGPT. So now click on these two options. Here are 1 to be 01. So I always recommend you for number 2 option because this is updated version. Now just click on this theme icon for creating. You can see already working right now. Wow, it's already right now. So I'm waiting for the final result. When you get final results, if you like it, just click on the download button. It's available at the corner right here. After finishing this method, I want to just play here. Wow. It's a really funny method. And if you like WW match, this is a common scenario here. So I'm creating this type of scenery using this AI tool, and it's absolutely free for use. When you join this tool, you got 100 credits every day. It's for free. So if you have any questions about this video and any others, please comment below. I would like to create a video only for you guys. So see you next video. Take care. Goodbye.